What would motivate someone to go to Bird & Co. instead of one of the many other chicken franchises out there? That's the question I posed to Gareth DeLanger, owner of Bird & Co. Florida Road. He told me that before he bought the franchise, he used to frequent the Bird & Co. in Bolito, owned by his friend Cristo, and it was quite simply the best chicken he'd ever tasted. Being the entrepreneur that he is, he recognized it as a business opportunity. So the birth of Bird & Co. Florida Road. I asked Durban model Celeste Motsana to sample the wares at Bird & Co. and give me some feedback. For her, the flagship was the deboned chicken. Half a deboned chicken peri-peri. Absolutely amazing. The gourmet burgers were excellent. A battered chicken burger with chicken breast topped with peri mayo, avo, feta and chips. Absolutely incredible. So if you're in the mood for trying something new and exciting, get yourself down to Florida Fields to Bird & Co. and try out one of the many specialities that they have on offer. You won't be disappointed, and I'll see you there.